Other news now, hearing more about the impact Rhode Island is possibly facing as the Trump administration threatens to pull federal funding for many Democratic-led states. U.S. Secretary of Agriculture Brooke Rollins says this is a necessary step, with more than 20 blue states refusing to turn over data that she says would help them crack down on fraud in the program. Rollins says funding could be pulled by next week. USDA says it's specifically targeting administrative funds and not the benefits that people receive. But United Way Rhode Island's Chief Policy Officer Kyle Bennett says this ongoing chaos has those relying on SNAP worried.
They're unsure, they're unsettled, they're unstable. What the federal government's doing in regards to human service programming has not been seen in my lifetime. We literally had to sue the federal government to ensure that the SNAP resources flowed again to the state of Rhode Island. I've never heard of anyone trying to starve the constituents or the populations that they serve.
Several states, including Rhode Island and Massachusetts, have sued the administration to keep them from releasing the data, which includes the names and immigration statuses of SNAP recipients. The governor says this will play out in court.
This constant chaos that comes from the Trump administration, who are trying to keep the people who are hungrier by going through the court process, just as a really disservice to the people who live in Rhode Island and around the country.
And states have until Monday to comply with the Trump administration.